Took this trade in the E period. You can see I was looking at the top of that main node in the volume profile, basically where the, I was looking at that low volume node where my entry is. I have that area highlighted. I didn't really expect it to go this far into that next node up there. But then for the targets, you can see I'm looking at the bottom of that main node. And I got a little bit bigger stop, but that's just because it's so volatile. And, I just wasn't going to add any more contracts to this. You can see how this is 2 times the regular speed, but it was still moving really fast. So, my short little stops weren't going to work today. But I did think we would get through, or the first thing I was looking at was this POC to make sure we got through there. And then I guess the first thing was, did we get back into that main node after we got out of that and we went up and tested that high at the red line there? Are we going to get back into that main node? And then the next thing I'll look at is that POC, which we're headed towards right now. And then if we can, if we got that far and got through that POC, I thought we would at least complete that entire node, which is where my first order is there. And you can see I have that low volume node highlighted towards the VWAP. I thought if we got down into there, I'd want to take my second one. But I was thinking that if we got into another time period, we could, or went through there really easily, we could eventually go down to that overnight high, which I have the orange line, or the orange line there, just below that second order. Right in here, we take out my first order. And then it does drop right into that highlighted area that I have. So I go ahead and take it there at about 50 ticks on that second one. And just the way that came into that, I thought it would bounce out of there and you'd have a chance to get at that again.